Hi, I'm Mary, the car sales lady for the Paul Cerami Automotive Group. Here at Paul Cerami, all customers are treated like a person, not like a sale. We have a full team of sales professionals filled with love and compassion. You're treated professionally, you're greeted at the door, and you're given the most efficient and professional service as possible. We won't have you hanging out all day at a dealership. We are here to get you approved for a car. With 70 lenders, tons of inventory for you to choose from, and our down payment assistance program, we're guaranteed to get all of our customers approved. No more MetroLink, no more catching buses, and no more catching rides or waiting on someone to pick you up. We're here to get you standing on your own 2 feet and place you back on the road to rebuilding your credit. So bring me your most recent paycheck stub, driver's license, proof of residence, down payment, or trade. Because here at Paul Cerami, our goal is to earn your business. Because we just don't sell cars, we care. There we go. Thank you. Okay, so now I gotta get this important too. I'm gonna put on my professional glasses, but really I gotta be able to see. I know, that was a fall, you heard me. So here's your paperwork. I'm gonna hand you your entire paperwork. You want to secure this in the home, inside, not in the car. This will go in the glove box in your car. Okay, I'll put that in there. And here's your keys. You can put one of your fancy keychains on there until your custom keychain comes in.
Oh, she getting a custom key?
Yeah, all my customers have custom keychains. So whatever picture with the car today, it'll be on her keychain, laid out. Yeah. So let's go. Yes, always. Purple and silver.
You asshole. Wait, how long did it take me to get up? That's the truth.
I can take it right off.
That's your little cross right there.
I can't even decide. That's more.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the glove box and I'm gonna get a picture. Hi! GoPro, turn off. What's up, good people? It's your favorite car sales lady. I am across the street right now and I'm waiting on financing. But what I wanted to show you really quick, because I've been here since this morning, some used inventory. And I have to make sure I get the used inventory because a lot of people are not trying to pay the new car price. So all the units that you're looking at right now that I'm going to walk around really quick and show you guys and girls are used inventory. You can log into my website, marythecarsaleslady.com. Click on Apply Now. If you want to take a look at the inventory, you can actually click on the inventory link. The link is now added to my website thanks to Flyer Monster. That's the CEO of Flyer Monster. His name is Ronaldo. So if you're in the market for a used car, truck, SUV, Mary the Car Sales Lady is the one to call. You want to log into the website. The only reason I'm doing this live video is to kind of give you guys and girls an insight on what's really available here. So many people are telling me they want Challengers. We want Chargers. We want Camaros. We want Mustangs. I have it all. I have it all for you. MaryTheCarSalesLady.com is my website. You want to log in right there. We also have certified pre-owned. I'm telling you, just because I'm a broker for Paul Cerami, Ford, and Kia, I have more than just Ford and Kia product. You're looking at Lincoln, you're looking at Cadillacs here, you're looking at Volkswagen, you're looking at Malibus. However, MaryTheCarSalesLady.com is the website. I'm going to keep stressing my website because I already know. That's financing wise. Internet manager Lamont Goss, he's my assistant here. He's going to be booking all the appointments. You can contact him directly when you're looking for Mary the Car Sales Lady. 314-838-2400 extension 106. He's based right here at Kia. I have a team here at Kia and I have a team at Ford. However, I will be based at the Ford location across the street, which is 11400 Newhouse Ferry Road. For everyone that's calling and showing up at Concourse in Maplewood, Concourse was bought out. They are no longer in business after 43 years. They were bought out possibly by a relative. But in any case, don't go to Maplewood and buy cars. Come to North County where your cars are going to be reliable and are going to last and stand to the test of time. Mary the Car Sales Lady is taking a break from being in the dealership 5 days a week. But however, once I move into my new place, I will be here. So show up at the Ford location across the street or just log into my website. I'm going to work your deal and get you approved. And keep in mind, if you want a car from over here at Kia, you're just going to start right at the website. Don't make it difficult. It's pretty easy. So I'm going to head back in. I'm waiting on one more bank for my girl, and she's actually across the street over at Ford. So your favorite car sales lady, MaryTheCarSalesLady.com. Shouts out to here at Kia and Ford over the weekend. A huge sale. That's why it's so packed inside. And you probably got your mailers in the mail. So that's what's going on inside. It's your favorite car sales lady. Hey, it's your car sales lady. MaryTheCarSalesLady.com. This is a 2018 brand new. You see all the plastic. 2018 Ford Focus. So you want to log into MaryTheCarSalesLady.com, which is my website. Click apply now, and your girl got you. I'm gonna call you, talk to you about what type of car you're looking for, you're trying to invest in. We're gonna talk about your credit. We're gonna talk about how much you got down. And then, hey, Gutta Visions, how you doing? We out here doing business with Black Owned, our Black Culture Expo.
Yeah, we're gonna meet up on first weekend of May, Mother's Day, weekend before Mother's Day.
Okay.
So,
Keep
the
me.
location right now. Last year it was at Matthew Digby.
That's cute. That pink. Keep me informed.
Yeah, I will.
Now this, why you know the purse is kind of hidden. Push it up. That pink is hot.
Yeah, I had just
Pink clutch. You just kind of ran into those.
Yeah, I just kind of ran past them. It was in the bottom of a t-shirt box.
Really? You found them. You're like, I need to. How much are they?
They were like $7.99.
Really? I want to see the pink one then. That hot pink one. Yep, it's your favorite car sales lady. I love natural hair. Purple is my favorite color. So look at that one. You have natural hair. So you made this banner?
Yeah, that was from the expo last year.
Yeah,
Stuff from,
that's what's up.
we just moved here, so I just been kind of putting stuff up.
I know. I'm like, this used to be a jewelry store.
No, and then before after that, it was a barbershop.
Really?
They moved down the hall. So I'm gonna put my backdrop up. We can do some of our little small photo shoots here.
Okay.
We still have our little meetings here for the expo. Now the vendors and stuff can come meet us. And,
Let me know when you're doing the vending.
Yeah. Like I said, we got the expo coming up in October. That's always in October. And then we doing the next.
Okay. It's your favorite car sales lady, Mary the Car Sales Lady. Okay. Yeah, I got my footies in the car. I will not be keeping these shoes on all day. The Lincoln, actually. Oh, we got pizza. We got a whole pizza. That's how y'all do it around here. Y'all eat the whole pizza.
Huh?
Y'all eat a whole pizza. You guys. Had to get off my feet for a minute. Yummy. You know what? We have on the same color today. Okay. I made it right here. I'm gonna get in this Lincoln. For 1 second. For 1 second. 16 Lincoln MKZ. But we're gonna talk in here. Okay. So making sure my hair is checked, because I don't want Gutta Visions putting up messy hair. Okay, here we go. Hi, I'm Mary, the car sales lady for the Paul Ceramic. Okay, we're gonna start over because I'm not even comfortable. Hi, I'm Mary, the car sales lady for the Paul Ceramic Automotive Group. Here at Paul Ceramic, all customers are treated like a person and not like a sale. We have a full team of sales professionals filled with love and compassion. You're treated professionally, you're greeted at the door, and you're given the most efficient and professional service as possible. We will not have you hanging out all day at a dealership. We are here to get you approved for a car. With 70 lenders and tons of inventory for you to choose from, and our down payment assistance program, we're guaranteed to get all of our customers approved. No more getting on a bus. No more Metrolink. No more catching rides or waiting on someone to pick you up. We're here to get you standing on your own 2 feet and place you back on the road to rebuilding your credit. So bring me your most recent paycheck stub, driver's license, proof of residence, down payment, or trade. Because here at Paul Ceramic, our goal is to earn your business, because we just don't sell cars. We care.